So it looks like we have an Adidas FEEZY update for you guys, a topic that y'all seem to be very interested in. So I managed to get an update from one of my insiders close to Adidas. Plus, Nike has revealed their most popular models of the year, which gives us some insight to the future releases from the company. Plus, you already know we're covering the latest sneaker updates for the week. What's going on, guys? It's JA. If y'all are new here and would like to stay up to date on the latest sneaker news and updates, be sure to subscribe. And if you guys enjoy the content, y'all gotta help me out by smashing the thumbs up button. So we're gonna kick today's video off with the newest reveal from Adidas. So we got the Bad Bunny Adidas Campus Cloud White. So the most streamed artist in the world is back. This is the follow-up to his Forum Low Cloud White, which just dropped in December. So just like previous Adidas Bad Bunny collabs, this release will feature an updated, modified shape to the classic Adidas Campus silhouette. In my opinion, it kind of gives this sneaker a more skate shoe look. So I guess Adidas is trying to capitalize off of that trend. I just had no clue that Bad Bunny was into skating like that. So if you guys are checking for this release, they are dropping this month. So expect these to drop January 28th for a retail of $150 US. So it looks like the New Balance 9060 has surfaced in a new sea salt colorway. This color scheme arrives in a crisp white hues, touching the mesh overlays along with suede and leather panels throughout. So New Balance has used this sea salt colorway on popular models like their 550 as well as the 990. But in my opinion, what really elevates this 9060 silhouette to the next level is the added leather material that they added to this silhouette. If you guys are looking to cop these, they have released overseas with a future US release coming very soon to retailers. So coming this March, we got the Nike SB Air Jordan 4 Pine Green. This model combines the hype of the Nike SB with one of Jordan Brand's most popular models, the Air Jordan 4. This right here could be every hype beast's wet dream. Now, just a disclaimer, remember guys, this photo is just a mock-up image. So based off the internet's reception, it looks like y'all are really feeling these joints, but we'll have to reserve final judgment until we actually get the official images of these. So Nike has revealed their most popular sneaker launches of 22. So you've probably seen this list floating around. This is the top 10 releases based off the most wanted styles of the year by the US community. So you see a lot of hype releases on here, a lot of L's that you probably missed out on throughout 2022, but we're gonna focus in on the top 3 pairs on this list. This is gonna give us some insight onto Nike's marketing strategy for 2023. Just like Hollywood studios that like to remake classics that they can guarantee box office success on, the sneaker industry is no different, and Nike will continue to put out rehashes of some of these hype collabs, that way to ensure success. And you already know that these pairs are super limited, which drives up hype, it drives up engagement, and gets a lot of people talking about these releases. So once again, let's focus in on the top 3. So you got the Air Force One Off-White Brooklyn. Now, these joints right here were almost damn near impossible to cop. I believe you actually had to be located in the area to be able to actually cop these. So you know Nike's gonna follow up this popular Off-White release with an Air Force One drop this year. And we already have a rumored gray pair, which I believe is a France exclusive. So next up, we got the Orange Lobster, a sneaker that was super tough to cop. One of the most popular releases of the year. Now, look yourself in the mirror, guys. Take a moment, take a deep breath, and ask yourself, would you really buy this sneaker if it wasn't limited and overhyped? And you guys know Nike will be following it up. There's a rumored White Lobster release scheduled to drop this year. And then at number 1, as the most in-demand Nike release of 2022, you got the Travis Scott Jordan 1 Low Reverse Mocha. Now, I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, these joints are super clean, and it looks like Nike will be following up the success with the olive pair. Now, although those are a woman's exclusive, you already know everybody and their mama is gonna be going out for those joints. And there are reports out there that this will be the final Travis Jordan 1 release, but I'm not really buying it. And if it does happen to be the last Travis Jordan 1 low, I feel like the next silhouette that they'll probably move on to will be the Jordan 4. And trust me, that will be the final boss. If they drop a Travis Jordan 4 this year, this will be definitely the most hype release, like possibly of all time. All right, so let's go ahead and get into one of the most controversial topics in sneakers, the Adidas FEEZYS. So we all know the story. Ye, formerly known as Kanye West, was displeased with Adidas, decided to go to war with the company until they eventually dropped him. They stated they owned all of the designs, and they did plan to intend to release Yeezy designs minus the Yeezy branding. So fast forward to now, and we've seen several different samples floating around. We've seen a gray 350, we've seen a new 500 colorway, and we already know that they had a whole year's plan worth of releases just sitting in warehouses, with the first rumored release to be the Granite 350 dropping this month. So Adidas has yet to deny or confirm that these pairs will actually release. The only thing that they've said publicly is that they own the rights to the designs, and they do plan to intend to use them in the future. So I was fortunate enough to be able to speak to one of my insiders with close ties to the company. They actually confirmed to me that there are 80,000 pairs available of the 350 Granites. That's a rough number, just a little roughly under 80,000 pairs produced. Now, these pairs are actually sitting in warehouses. They've been there since October. And as of right now, Adidas actually has not made a final decision if they do plan to intend to release these. So they're taking into strong consideration all of the negative feedback that they've received via social media. And there are concerns that if they do decide to release these designs minus the Yeezy branding, that the brand's reputation could be so bad that it could affect their bottom line in the future. But then on the other side of things, you have people that applaud the canceling of Ye. They're very happy that Adidas dropped him and feel like they actually will support the brand even stronger without his affiliation. And you've also got people that just say that they rock with the designs and could care less if Ye was affiliated or not. So my main question is, with a possible just under 80,000 pairs of these available, if the 350 Granite does actually hit the market, I feel like they will sell out. But my question is, do you guys feel like they'll have any resale value on the secondary market? It's gonna be all interesting to see how this whole entire situation plays out. So you guys already know, of course, I'm gonna keep you guys updated with everything. So we're gonna wrap things up. Make sure you guys drop your feedback on all of the topics covered today. Salute to everyone for tuning in. I'm J.A. Make sure you guys stay safe, stay blessed, and I'm out, y'all. Love.